Hi there, and welcome to Fynlo. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to connect Stripe to your account and how your clients can pay invoices online. It's fast, simple, and will help you get paid without the hassle. Let's start by setting up Stripe in Fynlo. From your dashboard, go to Settings, then click on Payment Gateways. Next, click New Payment Gateway and choose Stripe. Now, you'll add your Stripe API keys. You can find these in your Stripe dashboard under Developers, then API Keys. After entering your keys, set the status to Active and click Save. And just like that, Stripe is connected to your Fynlo account. Next, let's send an invoice. Go to Income, then Invoices, and create a new invoice with all your client details and items. When everything is ready, click Send. Since Stripe is connected, your invoice now includes an online payment option for your client. When your client receives the invoice, they'll see a link to view it online in Fynlo. From there, they can click Pay to proceed with the payment. Your client is taken to a secure Stripe checkout page. They just enter their card details, review the amount, and confirm the payment. It's fast, safe, and completely handled through Stripe. Once the payment goes through, the invoice is automatically marked Paid in Fynlo. No manual updates, no follow-ups, you'll see the status instantly. And that's it. Connecting Stripe and accepting online payments in Fynlo is that easy. Thanks for watching, and welcome to smoother, faster payments with Fynlo.